Hey guys, I'm back and today let me show you how to replace a casement window operator, in short opening and closing mechanism. This window does not close fully. See, it does open fully but it does not close fully. I need to replace this, so let me show you how I do it. So first I'm going to take out this screen and then open the window as long as I can. I need to unscrew this mechanism and screws are under this sill, so for that I need to take this out. So be extra gentle so that you don't damage this. Unscrew this mechanism. You should pay close attention when buying the new mechanism because there are many types available with very minor differences and it is very confusing. If not sure, take the faulty one to a hardware store and people there would be able to help you choose the right one. Mine is left-handed split arm operator with 4.5-inch link arm length. And also it was not available in any big box store like Home Depot etc. in my vicinity, so I had to order it online. Anyhow, it was a matter of just matching its screw holes with the previous one and tightening the screws. After tightening the operator screws, attach the link arm back to the window sash bracket. After fixing the new mechanism and before reattaching the window sill, try opening and closing the window to make sure that everything is working. Then reattach the window sill by nailing it back in place and then replace the cover and handle of the casement operator. So it's all done. Only thing now left to do is fill up the nail holes with wood putty and then paint the window. So that concludes today's video. I'm Sujata, Miyuri's handy mom, and I'll see you guys soon with a new project. Until then, take care.